Hello, Business 330 students. This is Professor Hassey. This is our week 2 introduction video for our class for Monday evening, October 5th at 6 p.m. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Just want to go over a couple things that we're going to be reviewing this week. First of all, we're going to do a final look at chapters 1 and 2. Then we're going to take a look at chapters 3 and 4 in regards to reading financial statements and determining what happened. Make sure we're up to speed on reading financial statements. Here's an example of that from our Blackboard that we'll be going over in class Monday night. If you go to week 2 in the in-class review, there's a spreadsheet file called week 2 in-class review. And it gives a financial statement for a real company for December 31st, 2018 and 19, the balance sheets and the income statements. We're going to be taking a look at this in the concept of what we as finance people need to take out of these financial statements, not just accountants, but as finance people. We're going to take a look at the cash flow statement, what that means and tells us, and we're going to do some financial statement analysis, some key variables from page 105 of your textbook on understanding what this financial information tells us in relative to our industry, to our trends from prior periods. This is what chapter 4 is about. So we'll be studying this in class using this spreadsheet from week 2, and it's a financial statement. You'll be doing also this for picking a stock in your portfolio and doing a financial review, but that's a little bit later on. In addition, we're going to be doing student interviews this week, and I mentioned this to you at the beginning of our class. If you go to student discussions, you'll see two things. First of all, you'll see from last week your student biography and stock portfolio. I'll be posting reviews of your work throughout the day today, Sunday. So take a look at that. If your portfolios are in good shape, you'll see a grade posted to your account. If you need to resubmit for whatever reasons, look at my explanation and resubmit as soon as you can. But this is our work that we had to do this week, a biography and your portfolio. And I'll be looking at that and reviewing that today, Sunday. But more importantly is our work for this coming week. Up here, week 2, student professor meetings. I'd like you to go to this forum, click it on and select a meeting with me for 10 to 15 minutes for this week, either on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. Thursday goes into Thursday evening, which might be helpful to some of you, but see if you can pick any of these times, create a forum, post it, and then I'll designate your name in this schedule, and we'll look forward to seeing you this coming week one-on-one with me, just to go over making sure you're comfortable with the course and everything is fine and anything I can help you with. This is the Zoom link to that meeting. You'll click on that and go directly to our Zoom meeting at that time and speak with me. So I want you to pick, this is for a grade, by the way, so I want you to make sure you select a date and time for the coming week to sit with me individually via Zoom to go over the early part of our class. So that's important to do this week. So we have a lot of things on our plate this week. We're going to do a final look at chapters 1 and 2. Then we're going to look at chapter 3, accounting and finance, how finance and accounting work with the balance sheet, the income statement, and the statement of cash flows. Then we're going to take a look at chapter 4, measuring corporate performance, doing financial statement analysis. More specifically, concentrate on page 105 of your textbook. And then we're going to have our student interviews this week, each one of you, and leading into next week where we're talking about chapter 5, and next week you'll have your first assignment due on October 18th, and we'll distribute that in class next week. So that's where we stand. I hope everybody's doing well, and we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night at 6 o'clock. See you then. Bye-bye.